We are so thankful today that you have taken the opportunity to find out what Assembled is all about, and we are excited to have this opportunity to serve your school and conserve your time. By partnering with us and registering today on the website, you will have immediate access to a wealth of assemblies that will give you a different topic each week to show and inspire your children. Within our library of assemblies, there is a search option which will enable you to search on theme, date, keywords, and also British values to find a relevant episode for your school situation. We have taken this opportunity to provide 4 different options for you as a school. For a community or a general school, you will have the opportunity to access a plug and play assembly where all the stress of assembly preparation is taken away from you. But number 2 option, we also have an interactive assembly where it gives you opportunity to be in front of your children and engaging with us and them in providing the assembly together. Choice number 3 and choice number 4 are exactly the same, but for faith schools. At the end of each of these assemblies, it also contains a prayer. It is our desire to actually take the stress away from the assembly preparation and to hand back to you the time that you can use in other areas. So please register and see what Assembled has to offer in serving your school and conserving your time.